Welcome to the channel. Yet another unboxing. Today we're going to see Jabra evolve2. Let's see what is all about. So in the package it says hybrid working just got a whole lot of more comfortable. I think that makes sense because everyone doing hybrid model and your home is again our office. So we have to take care of all these necessary gadgets. So 360-degree busy light certified for Microsoft Teams. So this is especially for the Microsoft Teams. The branding says. Similarly, it says specifically designed for maximum comfort, and then it comes with active noise cancellation, that is ANC, and premium noise cancellations microphone. And in the back, it also says certified Microsoft Teams, certified for Microsoft Teams. Alexa built-in, that is very good, and also made for iPhone, and fast pair is also certified. And it's also coming with the app. Download Jabra Sound Plus app to enable additional features. And then, yeah, if you see the pricing details here, it's coming around 38,000. You can see it here. So this is import on June month. And these are all the additional details. Let's open this. So some getting started card, and also it's coming with Bluetooth dongle for those Bluetooth not supported devices, and they're telling the basic controls, how to use microphone, how to handle this. So there is one best feature which I like the most. Usually, if you want to mute or unmute in middle of your meeting, that is very hard to find out your mouse or any keyboard shortcut. But here they made that simple. Just you pull your the lever microphone lever into up, it will mute your microphone. You pull it up back, it will unmute your microphone. This is a very nice feature they embedded here. So without any buttons or with any keyboard shortcuts, they made this simple and easy. Again, they are recommending here to download Jabra Sound Plus app for the customization of settings. And here is the main unit. It comes with a nice pouch. I think it needs some charging. Yeah, for that, since this is a wireless headphone, it needs some charging. A nice Type-C cable is given. It's a good quality and good length also. I think it comes around 1 meter length. And then we have some letters for the safety and for the guarantee. So 2 years of warranty is coming with limited 2 years of warranty is what it says. Let's see the unit. So this is where they have given the dongle with this nice embedded stitching. And here is your dongle, USB dongle. It has some LED and then Jabra logo on it. Stainless steel, good branding. So nice packaging. I think this will help us in traveling also. It's a nice thick fabric. So finally, this is the one we're talking about, Jabra. Jabra evolve2. So left and right are indicated here. It's having nice cushion. And this is the ports for the charging and the power on and the pairing part, LED indicators. Similarly, we have controls like volume up, mute, play, volume down. So this is also extendable till here. So it will fit for anyone. So it has both plastic and metal integrated. Looks nice. And even for head also they have given a cushion, nice cushion. And this is the mic. So this is how we can pull. So you can see it here in the mic. There is one microphone here and then there is another microphone here. I think this is for the noise cancellation. So here the logo comes. I think Teams logo is also there. Surprisingly. And here there is one control. So similarly, when I saw the manual, it says like this is actually voice assistance button as well as your ANC button, that is active noise cancellation button. And there is some LEDs here. I think you cannot see that until you plug in. So both here and here, it is barely noticeable, but inside embedded in LED, which shows that we are busy. So both the ears, they have embedded these LEDs. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 buttons are there. So Jabra branding is here. Very lightweight, not heavy, not too light. It's a peculiar design. I have never seen design like this. So that's it from this video. If you have any queries, any doubts, or you want any assistance or anything to set up this or to understand more about this product, let us know on the comments. Till then, thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.